Well, as you know, soybean harvest is well underway. We're going to learn more about it from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson. We want to ask you about how your family is doing when it comes to the soybean harvest.
We've actually been doing pretty good this year. It was a little earlier than we've normally been, about 2-3 weeks. We're on the downhill side. We've got about a week left of soybean harvest left to go. They're really versatile. It's amazing all the different things you can do with soybeans, from food for animals to food for people. And then you've got the biodiesel and plastics.
Have you run into any problems with harvest this year? I know the weather's been pretty good.
The weather's been good. The biggest problem we had is we had some really strong winds right before harvest. It knocked some of our beans down. And so have you ever played the game Pick Up Monkeys, the little monkeys in a barrel game? That's kind of like getting the soybeans off the ground this year. There was really a tangled mess, but you just take a little bit extra time and you're able to get them picked up.
I bet you that a lot of people don't realize the hours that you put in. Are you working at night? How do you do it?
Right now, our day starts about 5 o'clock in the morning. It takes a long time to get the combines ready to go in the field. You need to grease them, fuel them. And then soybeans are a little different than other crops because they absorb moisture. They're like little sponges. So in the morning, if you have a heavy dew, the soybeans will be damper and they'll have a higher moisture, and so you have to wait till later in the day. We're going until probably 8:30, 9 o'clock at night.
Is there anything more you would want consumers to know about what you do to bring in the soybeans?
As technology changes with your iPhones, how much more advanced we've gotten with phones. We've gotten more advanced with the equipment too. So we are able to harvest more and have less passes over a field. So we're able to protect the soil. We're using less water with the different soybeans we're doing. So a lot of things innovations that we're being able to see we're being able to be better stewards of the land.
Thank you, Paula, for letting us know about the soybean harvest. And you are going to be coming back a little bit later with a recipe to share as well.
My Aunt Barbara's pecan pie bars.
Sounds good. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes.